beauties, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today we are getting into an updated lash video. So today I'm going to start off with my regular pointy curve, I don't know what you call these, tweezers. And then I also go in with my regular tweezers, as you can see here, the OGs, to go ahead and complete my lashes. And I have upgraded to using bonding glue. I know, bonding glue. Don't they take out your lashes? I just find that using the bonding glue gives it a stronger hold than using the eyelash glue. So these are the lashes that we're going to be using. I'll put the link in the description box below for you guys. It's from Green Nia. I think that's how you say it. But they're really soft, fluffy lash clusters, and I got them off of Amazon per usual. So here I'm just squirting out some glue so that way I can show you what I start off with, a little dime size glue. And then I'm starting off with the row of 18-inch, and I used two 18 inches first on the corner of my eye, as you can see me doing here. I just started off with the 18-inch and I placed it in the farthest most outer corner of my eyelash, where my eyelashes really kind of start at the end. And I'm just kind of looking in the mirror to make sure I got that placement right, making sure it feels right when I blink as well. So during this video, I know you guys see me talking, but I was actually on the phone with one of my best friends, so just ignore me talking. So as you can see here, I'm placing that second one and I'm making sure that it's in the right spot. And sometimes they don't go on how you want them to. So you kind of just have to start again and replace them if they starting to look a little weird or they don't follow instructions and, you know, go where you originally want them to go. Alright, so right here I am just going in with my 16mm lengths now. So with these clusters, for some reason this day they were giving me a hard time, and as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that they were on there good. And sometimes if they not, or they feel funny, sometimes you just got to take them off and redo them. And that's what you're going to see me here doing, pulling them off, making sure that they're placed good and they're not irritating. You should not feel your lash clusters when you put them on. So I just kind of slowed it down for you guys and show you a little bit more of where I'm placing it. And as you can see, the lash was not trying to comprehend, baby. It was not trying to do what I needed to do. So I ended up taking it off and once again putting it back and placing it where it actually needed to be, and that way I was very comfortable. So once I got to that midway point, I started adding the 14 mm's, and so far this is what we have on this first eye, and I'm just going to keep going until I complete the entire eye. And my lash map is as follow. I started off with 2 18s, 3 16s, 2 14s, and then 1 12. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, these lashes was giving me a run for my money. This day I was struggling with my outer corner with this 12mm cluster. I don't know what it is, but we finally got it together. And don't be afraid to take them off, like I said, because for some reason they were just not trying to fit right. So I was taking them off and I was redoing them as needed, and I was placing them where I needed to be. So keep in mind, I do double my clusters, and if you don't know what that means, I go back in and I will put another cluster under that first set that I did if I want more volume, if I want it to be like a little thicker. So for this one, I don't think I did that. I think I just did the first set and I just left it alone. But normally I would double my cluster. So as you can see, I'm starting with the next eye, and baby, again, the struggle was real. I had to take them off, redo them, place them how I needed to. They were just not, this day, they were not messing with me, okay? I had to take off several clusters. Look, inner corner, took off. redo, because it just was not flying. And I'm a very patient person, so if something is not looking right, something is not feeling right, I am one who do not like their eyes to be irritated. So if I need to take it off, redo it again, I don't have any problem with doing so. And as you can see, that's exactly what I was doing until we got it right and it fit and felt perfect. So do what you need to do in retrospect to make yourself feel comfortable. All right, you guys. So this set is about done. I'm going to finish this up and show you guys the end result. I hope you like it. And if you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look, the completed lash map of my updated lash tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.